Hello everybody. I'm going to show you how to see if I can get in here and do this. Record. I'm kind of standing behind the camera here, but when you get a piece of broke plastic, like right here, you can see. Let me back you out just a little bit. There we go. It's better. Yeah, see there how it's broke? No need to go and replace it. There's an easy way to fix it. First, take you a soldering iron, and all you do, you come in and just start. I like to start out by just making a channel and just follow the crack. Melt her down pretty good. Don't have to look perfect right here. And I've done this on top covers and everything for some buddies of mine, and they've dropped them, they've got mad and threw them, everything else. And the one thing that has not broke loose yet, knock on wood, is the welded plastic. So this is how I like to weld plastic. Some old mechanic buddies of mine showed me this a while back, years ago. Because now the trick to it is if you just do it like this, it's not going to hold too good. You got to get her down. Get down in there pretty good. Deeper you can go with it without going all the way through, the better and stronger it's going to be. Like I said, just melt down in there, just like this. Now you just take you a piece of weed eater string. It's almost kind of like stick welding. But you take and lay your string in there. Then what I like to do is mix this new plastic in with the old. Just go back and forth. Just roll it around like that. Make it one. Then we just come on back in like that. Then once you get, the whole area done, you come back through with your soldering gun and just smooth it back down. I'm going to have to plug a charger cord up here in just a minute. Battery's about to die. Once again, just right down deep and just mix it up. Kind of like mixing epoxy. You can use any weed eater string. Maybe not that gator line with the like little piece of wire in it. But other than that, pretty much just any plastic string you got. Okay, let's see here. I'm going to have to pause you guys just a second and plug this phone up. Okay, now got the phone plugged up. Let's just pick back up where we left off at here. Yeah, excuse the mess. I'm working on 2 or 3 saws at one time. Had to change the angle just a little bit, but anyhow, we come right back in and just melt her together. Mix it. And I've got a lot of remarks from people like, what? How do you weld plastic? Well, this is how I weld plastic. And like I said, it seems to work pretty good. And the more you do it, the more, the stronger you can make it by, you learn to make it, burn it down in there pretty deep, about how deep you feel comfortable going with it. And just mix it in, get some original plastic melted. Just like this. Sorry if I'm breathing heavy. It's a little cold out here. Obviously, you can probably see my breath. Then you can just kind of keep working with it until you get it, nice and smooth. And then once you get into some of this, you can just kind of melt it back in the way. So, do it like that right there. And then right there's what we got. You can see right there, just see a little crack. You can do the outside too. Hey guys, sorry my phone quit recording, but have a great day. Like and subscribe. Thanks.